It is that time of the year where the cities are lit, the trees are decorated and the festive cheer is all around. Today I'm going to give you a taste of this festive season at Phoenix Marketcity Pune, which is a one-stop celebration where you can come with all your friends and family. So let's go. Christmas is the season of joy and spreading love, and Phoenix Marketcity Pune has attempted to create this vibe, decking up the huge mall and lining up events throughout the month to make everything all things Christmas. Wow, just look around. The sound of Christmas carols playing in the background. I must tell you, this is one of the most festive places in town. This festive season, Phoenix Marketcity has a range of festive events lined up with up to 50% off on over 300 brands. There are so many dining options over here and a Christmas weekender in store from the 22nd of December to the 25th of December with a Christmas parade, Piyush Mishra live and the best of F&B options. And with all the amazing food options, the parties and the live events, this is definitely going to be your one-stop destination this Christmas. So if you want to give your loved one something, then the Phoenix gift card is the perfect option. From Zara, H&M, Marks & Spencer, Superdry, Jack & Jones and much more, this place is a shopper's dream come true, especially with the ongoing festive sale. With Phoenix Marketcity Pune's Wish It Win It campaign from 15th to 25th of December, you can shop for Rs 5,000 or above and can have 100 wishes fulfilled. You know what my New Year plans are? To visit some amazing and lit parties with my friends. And what better place than this mall where I can go bar hopping with my friends. And I'm gonna start today with Puno. Come along. Not just that, they also have India's first neon trampoline park and first augmented reality bowling center. Well guys, खाना और shopping तो sorted है. But guess what? The mall has so many events lined up throughout to keep you entertained. There's gonna be an amazing Christmas parade that's gonna happen, Piyush Mishra live on 22nd December and Nykaa Beauty Bar on 22nd of December. So watch out because there's something special happening every day. I have been walking around the mall since hours and I'm not tired because the Christmas decoration over here is so soothing. इतना soothing है कि थकान ही महसूस नहीं हो रही है. What have you come here for?
I'm here for shopping. We all have come here to hang out in the mall.
Hello, we're just chilling here.
Oh, nice. Would you like to celebrate your Christmas here?
Yes. Yeah, the decor is amazing here. I think it will be nice to celebrate Christmas here.
Definitely. Why not? The decor is good.
What has been your favorite thing to do over here?
There are many options to shop here and there are many bars to hop on.
Shopping, as you can see the bags.
Many actually. But then we went to Puno as well, so that was really nice.
It's perfect to spend your time.
The Phoenix Marketcity in Pune is definitely a must-visit destination to spend your festive season the right way. Amazing shopping, food and festive charm all under one roof. What else do you need? So come enjoy the spirit of this season at Phoenix Marketcity in Pune. This is me, Sara Gadvi, signing out.